Working on a Bosch refrigerator today. Complaint was that the ice maker stopped working and it's leaking on the right side. So after diagnostics, it was found that there's a big ice buildup. Tested the element, seems to work fine, but the whole assembly is cracked because of the big ice buildup. So potentially it might be two things: that element and a clog in that drain. So I'll be servicing it from here. It's hard to see because it's dark, but the drain tube's at the back. So as you can see that the water is coming out clearly from the drain. Most likely it's clogged over there. And the element is fine because it does defrost it, but since it's not able to drain, it just freezes up again. But I'll try and fix this. There's a lot of other cracks everywhere because of the buildup. But yeah, if I won't be able to fix them, we'll have to replace it. After some magic, everything's back in place. Ice buildup removed, so I'm gonna reassemble it, and that should be it.